हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ जमान एंड डेफिनेटली 2026 में दुनिया और वर्डप्रेस दोनों ख़त्म नहीं है. सो वील सी हाउ टू इंस्टॉल वर्डप्रेस इन 2026. So first of all, you need to go to the website of XAMPP and click on download, and I'll show you how to install it. So just click on open, because I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. So now click it OK, next and next, and make sure that you have the same path as I, because you need to install it in C drives. Okay, then click on next, then click on next, and wait it till it install, because it will take 2 to 5 minutes of your time. So finally, after 10 eternity later, the XAMPP is been installed. So we'll click on finish. Then as you can see, there is Apache and MySQL. So click on start of both. So now go to any of the browser and type localhost and click enter, and go to PHP myadmin. Click on new. Here we are going to create a new database. So we'll type the name WordPress. You can type any other, but I'll go with the WordPress. So as you can see, it is created. Now you need one another WordPress file. So click here and download it. I'll give the links in description. And it is a zip file. So here it is. I'll just extract it and I'll show you how to paste the file WordPress files into htdocs folder. So here it is. We'll click on this and now cut this and go to this PC, go to local disk, then XAMPP, then scroll a little bit and htdocs and paste it here. Okay, done. Now again go to browser and go to localhost slash the name of your folder and the database. It should be same. So we'll make it same. If it is not, there it is, htdocs, and yeah, it is the same name. Okay, WordPress. Okay, first time it will take some time, so you have to be patient. Okay, so it's finally loaded after 1 minute. So click on continue and let's go. Now you have to put the name of the database we have put it earlier. So it is WordPress, as you all know. And for the username, we'll type root, and for password you have to make it blank, so you don't need to have to enter anything. Then data host, it should be localhost, and prefix should be wp underscore. Now run installation. Now site title, I'll give it WordPress. You can give it any other site title like e-commerce, Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Username, I'll type admin, and password also I'll type admin. We can see if it works or not. Okay, confirm weak password. Email, I'll type email, and install WordPress. Okay, now we have to log in with the password and username. As we all know, it is admin. Click on remember me and log in. And yes, your WordPress website has been installed. Now it is the admin panel. If you want to go to the website, then go to new tab and just remove WP admin. And here is the basic template website. It is nothing. You have to add many of the plugins and appearances and themes and pages, and so that I'll make the upcoming videos of it. If you want, then comment down below. And if you also want videos on React, then I can also make about it, and I'll explain how to do SEO in WordPress website in 2026. So comment down below when you want a video. Thank you very much.